So here's a quick demo on PortalWith. Here on the right side we have our databases, we have the client or companies, then we have the client members. Some companies might have multiple people in it. Then the contents, we have design assets, where it has relation to the client or the company. Then the design revisions, where it's basically a child task for the design assets. Then the invoices, it uses relation to the client. Then public announcement. So the purpose is to show each client their data. Now we are gonna try to log in using this Acme Corp user. The login will send magic link, a unique link where user can log in to the platform. In PortalWith, you can render the Notion page. On the design assets, the Acme Corp only sees their contents. User can also update the content, and it should reflect directly on the Notion and on the app. Similar here, user or the client only see their content, so we can still focus on all the tasks at once. And in the portal, user can also add a new item. And it should be added directly to the Notion and on the portal. So the purpose is to make our life easier on Notion, and similar on the Notion, user on the portal can add comment and it will be added directly to the Notion. Besides that, there are still a lot of things you can do with Portal, like hide certain fields that you don't want to show to your user, or you want to make certain fields only for read and user cannot update. You can do that also. You can design the template of the portal like this one, so it's similar with Notion. You can add multiple pages into your portal. You can add custom variable, you can add many components in it. So yeah, basically that's it. That's for the quick demo on PortalWith. If you have any questions, just contact me. Thank you.